Hey, it's Matt with Magee Farms, and I'm down the street at our neighbors and our family that had bought a small piece of property down the road from us at McCullum Farms. And going to give you a little update of where they're at, and they've got some exciting stuff just about to happen here in about an hour. Now, they've done a lot of work this summer, got a road in. Originally, they had a campsite over here where they had a really nice tent, had a platform. You can see we moved the platform over there. And we were leaving the tent up full time, and it worked good for about 6 months. Then the platform started to sag a little bit as we got a lot of rain and kind of unleveled itself. And we started getting a lot of rain in. And so mold just it wasn't working out for full time with the tent, and they wanted something a little more permanent. So as you can see, we got a little bit of gravel here, and we have a shipping container on the way in, a 40 by 8 shipping container that they are going to make a cabin out of. And it's being loaded up right now. The plan is, for the time being, we've got the driveway coming in. We're going to make a circle drive right here where you can come in and kind of park and circle around. And we have the prep site work done over here with some gravel, have it kind of leveled out. As you can see, one side's a little taller than the other. And as I'm speaking now, my brother-in-law Josh is about an hour south of here with the truck driver that's moving it and getting it loaded up, and they should be here in about an hour. So I just wanted to make a little pre-video here with the before prep work, and next thing you know, we will be bringing a cabin in. Keep backing all the way down your road?
Yep.
All right then.
That ain't nothing compared to what he freaking did to pick it up. Holy crap.
No.
We were going to cut the tree back.
We can do it this weekend.
block slip.
Yeah, I saw that.
My side got a little bit.
That'll bend back up. The block on the other one has your siding bent too, but
Yeah.
it'll be fixed. Yeah, your door is out of square already from,
All the driving.
yeah, just look at it.
I asked him if he needed help. He said no.
You got the other guy in there with you? Or you didn't leave?
No, that guy was to help facilitate the.
Oh, I thought he was with us. But the other guy left.
There we go.
Bring that thing over a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, right. So if you pick the butt across, it might get over there and you can cut it down. Stop! Wasp nest or something. Also, he had stuck up the trim on the other side that got bent up.
We can fix all that. He's got to drop the back corner and then try to push the front corner over with the truck.
got it?
You got it.
Come on, your wood up there. Wood.
How did we just like the you have an idea?
Count that. I think it's right there.
4, 5,
Wow, that's something. Unfortunately, we don't have anything to push it, do we? He's going to use his car, I think.
Is he gonna be able to get to it to push it?
I don't know. Maybe he's got to get... Oh, he's going to hook a chain to it, probably.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought he was gonna wait till like this corner was on the end there and then just drive back, but
Yeah. It'll keep the dirt from being giant rut. Now that's going to twist towards you as you... So it might have to be rehooked. If you're going to have the truck come back. Dig it in.
now we finally got her down. It's not quite level, it's just off a little bit. Hopefully we'll be able to move it around with a skid steer. Take a little look inside. This is what we've got. It's got a lot of potential. Should be able to build it up into a nice little cabin and living quarters. Nice little weekend place. Stay tuned and we'll be doing more videos as the cabin comes along. It's Matt with Magee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. Until next time, have a great day.